What's going on, guys? So we have some water problem here on one of our properties. So we have a problem in our basement over there, water problem. And now what I noticed that this gutters, they got separated somehow. I don't know how, but they got separated. So, and the rainwater was coming down and then made a hole over here. It's a deep hole. I'm not sure if you can see it here. So to prevent this problem, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some topsoil to make it a little bit slopey here, because this slope actually is a negative slope that goes towards the house. So what we have to do is to make it like a positive slope, like from the house it goes down, and then if it rains, the water goes through, so it doesn't go inside of the house. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some topsoil over here to make it a little bit slopey, and then we're gonna put landscaping fabric, and then we're gonna put gravel for water drainage. So we're gonna do that for around the house. So, and this side doesn't have that problem because we have already gravel over here, and then some stone over there. So what we're gonna do on both sides to see if it prevents the water problem. Hopefully it will solve the water issue that we are having right now. The basement is dry because we put the fan to dry it, and once it rains we're gonna test it. And those gutters are not clogged, so they're brand new. So this should be a problem. So if this doesn't work out, then we'll have to do a water drain that goes along the house, and then we can connect it to this pipe over here. So all the plants are removed, and the first layer of the topsoil is done. The second one is gonna be more slopey, and the fabric, and the gravel, and then edging pavers. So this is how it looks like on this side so far. It's gonna go all the way. And this is old gravel. They used plastic fabric material for underlayment. So we'll have to remove all these roots and the plants here. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if it's visible on the camera, on the video, but it is very odd to have this kind of slope against the house. I'm not sure, it's not coming from the house, it's against the house, so I'm not sure. I decided to do it like that. So this house actually had a problem over there last year, water problem, and here, and on the corner over there, and then here. So when we changed the gutters, the whole gutter, the whole house, it solved the problem. But it looks like it's solved temporarily because we have a problem here. So let's see if our solution works. and we'll let you know, guys. Yeah, we paid about $269 for the delivery for 2 tons of topsoil and 3 tons of limestone gravel, and spent about $70, I believe, for 3 by 300 underlayment landscaping fabric. So I got 2 of them. I'm gonna use on a different project as well, on a different address, and don't think I'll use the whole thing over here. So we didn't have any tools, so we bought a lot of tools for the project because we're going to be using on different properties. This wheelbarrow is from Tractor Supply. We bought it for $129. This one has better reviews than the ones from Home Depot for the same price, because people say this paint doesn't get peeled off or scratch resistant a little bit better, because the other one from Home Depot is painted and then it peels off right away. And then what else we bought? We bought a leveler for $13 from Home Depot, shovel, and then temper for $40, shovel about $15. What else we got here? And some old tools. So that's all. So it's day 2. We got 2 tons of dirt put in here, and got extra dirt from our neighbor. Got it from here for free. Wouldn't pay for that. Thanks, neighbor. And now we filled up pretty much everything here. Now we got a nice slope a little bit here. The only problem is gonna be that the metal piece that covers the window. So because we don't have that much of a height space left for the gravel to put on, but hopefully it helps to prevent the water damage. What a leak here. So got nice level here too, so slope. So we're gonna put the fabric on tomorrow. The fabric is coming tomorrow. I ordered online, and gravel, 2 Bs, limestone. So hopefully it'll resolve the water issue. So as you can see, like how much of a dirt we put on here. So we went up pretty much 2 brick size, so that's a good thing. And we're gonna have 2 inches of gravel now. So we got this granite 8x4, and the height is 150 pavers. They're all going for garden edge, bed edge. So we got the landscaping fabric over here. So we got it for 67 cents. each. There's a promo going on with this one. It used to be 78 cents, now it's 60. So tomorrow I'm gonna put the landscaping fabric and then 3 ton of 2B limestone gravel. And we're gonna put this concrete pavers and granite pavers tomorrow on the edge. Let's see how it turns out. Please stay tuned. It's day 3. This is how my car looks like now. Got 150 pavers, 6 pounds each. So it's about 900 pounds. Yeah. Good load. So this is the whole house. So we had 2-3 days of heavy rain, and the result is good. There is no water in the basement. Everything is clean and dry. So the water damage was here, so it's nice and clean after 2-3 days of heavy rain. So it looks like it fixed the problem. So it's dry and clean. So the water went from this side, drained, came all over here, all over the spot.